Today we're going to be going over the trade of the day. Now, we're going to be taking a look at the stocks 1 day, 1 minute, the stocks 180, the 180-day chart, and giving you guys an analysis on why this stock was an A plus trade, and this is a trade that you should have taken. Okay, so let's start off by taking a look at a bigger time frame. As you guys can see, mRNA has been in a consistent downtrend, and it's also, if you guys can see, it has hit its 180-day low last week Tuesday. So last week on its Tuesday, it hit its 180-day low, and you guys can see it's very close to that 122 level. We'll say that 122 support level. So we created a nice bounce, had a consolidation right here, as you guys can see, a wedge to the upside, a consolidation between this 145 level and let's say this 147 level, and couldn't break down but also couldn't break out either. And this is where we're going to take a look at the smaller time frames to see what happened. Okay, so if we go to the 5-day 5-minute, as you guys can see, we can get a better look at the resistance levels. So it tested this 145 level, as I was saying, once, twice, had broken out yesterday this 145 level, as you guys can see, created a nice consolidation, broke out to the outside, to the upside, and immediately got rejected and pushed back down. So that showed a sign of weakness, but as you guys can see, it kind of was just setting itself up for a bigger move, and so this is what ended up happening today. As you guys can see, a very bullish stock because it had one higher low, another higher low, another higher low, and then pre-market it showed aftermarket in this case showed another higher low. Pre-market created once again another higher low. So now breaking it down even further and going to the 1-day 1-minute chart. Okay, so we're going to take a look at, so if we just zoom in a bit and then go down here, as you guys can see, we can take a look at the 144 resistance level, the 145 resistance level that has been very strong these last couple days, and also the wedge pattern to the upside. But I also drew this support line. The support line stayed true. It was a resistance, pre-market, and then ended up breaking out, finding a higher resistance, and its previous resistance had became a area of support. So this is where we were taking a look at it. So as you guys can see, at market open, it had a hard push down, immediately got bad up and created like a hammer wick, and it pushed to the upside. As you guys can see, it created all of its loss. It made up for all of its loss and then recovered that and then pushed to the upside. And as you guys can see, pushed to the upside, got rejected by that 145 resistance level, created a higher support. It tried to push back down, it got rejected. It regained all of its loss and it ended up closing green. And this is a very bullish stock. It would have been such a nice risk reward. It's about a point risk, and then you wait for the first pullback. Resistance level had acted as a support level in this case. This would have been a nice second entry, and resistance 145 resistance had acted as a support, and it created a continuation to the upside. Beautiful move. As long as you sold it for more than what you risked, it's a phenomenal trade. But this is the trade that I was taking a look at today. And these are the type of trades you're going to want to take. High volume, beautiful consolidation, as you guys can see, and just one strong move. Just one of these moves can really make up for a lot. And not necessarily trying to shoot always for big targets, but just set yourself up for good trades, high probability setups, and trades like these will come to you. So that concludes this video. I really hope this helped you guys, and if you found it helpful in any way, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.